Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn Open to Work with LinkedIn Recruiter Preferences, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your LinkedIn Open to Work settings with LinkedIn Recruiter Preferences, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the Me icon at the top of your homepage. On your profile page, locate the Open to Work feature, which should appear just below your profile picture. Click on the Open to Work button to access the settings. In the pop-up window, you will see options to specify the types of positions you are interested in. Select the job titles, locations, and job types that align with your career goals. Scroll down to find the option to choose who can see your Open to Work status. You can select between all LinkedIn members or recruiters only. Choose the Recruiters Only option to keep your job search discreet. Once you've made your selections, review the information to ensure it accurately reflects your preferences. After confirming your settings, click the Add to Profile button to save the changes. To further refine your preferences, go to the Job Preferences section by clicking on the Jobs icon in the top navigation bar. Select Career Interests from the drop-down menu. In this section, you can specify job titles and locations in more detail. Make sure to indicate the type of employment you are looking for, such as full-time, part-time, contract, or internship. Additionally, you can choose your preferred industries to help recruiters find your profile more easily. When you're satisfied with all your selections, click the Save button. Finally, review your profile to ensure that your Open to Work settings are clearly displayed and accurately reflect your career aspirations. This will enhance your visibility to recruiters actively looking for candidates like you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.